Hey guys, how are ya? Today I am here with an unboxing of the BoxyCharm for June. Now, there was a problem with my June box in that FedEx lost it. They marked it delivered, it wasn't delivered to me. They did an investigation, it took like over a week, and then they said they just didn't have it. I ordered a replacement from BoxyCharm. So I'm not sure if this is the lost box or the replacement box. Hey guys, Future Holly here. That box was really confusing, so I decided to go online to the BoxyCharm website, and it turns out that this is the July box. The weird thing is, 2 days ago I got an email saying that my replacement June box along with my July box were being shipped. And then I checked the FedEx website for both of the tracking numbers, and it says that they won't be here until next week. So I have no idea where this box came from, but it is a July box. Take it away, Past Holly. Let's get into it. Okay, first out is the little card that comes with it, and it tells you everything that's in the box and what it is worth. Ooh. Okay, first out is the choice product. They were out of the lash serum that I wanted, so I chose the Clean Skin Club Vitamin C Brightening Booster. It sounds kind of interesting, and I always love a good serum, so let's check this out. Comes in a nice glass bottle, which is, I mean, it's more high-end, but more easily breakable by me. It smells kind of herbal. It's a good serum consistency, so we'll see how this goes. I'll start using it and see if I like it. Next out of the box is something that I was hoping I would get. It's the Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Masks, and it's 12 pairs. It says it's like an energy drink for your eyes. I could use that. So this is what they look like. They're your 12 pairs is a lot to get in a package of eye masks. And they look like the kind of standard jelly ones. So I will definitely be enjoying these. Okay, next out is a Beauty by Pop Sugar Make Waves Liquid Metallic Eye Color. And this is in the color You Glow Girl. Oh wow, it's really liquidy. It does say here, a magic water that washes liquid color over lids and dries fast. So it's a liquid wash of color. I mean, it's pretty. Next out is the Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil from Hourglass, and this is in the shade Dark Brunette. That is a itty bitty tube, and so, and I like it when a brow pencil comes with a spoolie on the end. Let's check out the color. Wow, that is an itty bitty, I don't know if you can see that. That is an itty bitty little pencil tip. So that's pretty cool. It is a dark brown. I use a dark gray pencil, and that goes really well with cool black hair. And here is a palette. Ace Beauty. It is the Bronzed in Paradise palette. It has a mirror and 4 bronzer colors. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm super pale and I don't really do bronzers. And I actually had it in my BoxyCharm profile that I don't really want bronzers, so that's a little disappointing, but I can find somebody who can use that. There is a really good bronzer from, my brain is just not working, from Wander Beauty, and I actually believe I got it in a BoxyCharm, and it was a palette with a blush and a bronzer duo that was super light, and it works really, really well and looks really good on me. Now let's check out the prices. The June theme was Sunshine. The Vitamin C Brightening Booster retails for $49.95. The Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil retails for 28 bucks. The Ace Beauty Bronzed in Paradise palette retails for $30. The Grace and Stella Anti-Wrinkle and Energizing Eye Mask retail for 21 bucks, and that's actually pretty good for 12 pairs. And the Beauty by Pop Sugar Make Waves Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow retails for 23 bucks. That's a lot for a single liquid eyeshadow. Wow. Okay, so that was our BoxyCharm for June. It seems like maybe this is the replacement box, since I specifically have on my profile that I don't want to receive any bronzers, so maybe they just gave me like whatever they had left. And so there are a lot of things in here that I'm really gonna love, and surprisingly, it's all the skincare. Like, I know I'm skincare crazy, but I'm trying to cut down because I've received so much skincare to try, and just getting through all of it, like, I hate waste. I'm not gonna waste it. If I could find somebody that can use it, that's one thing, but I have a lot of people in my life that are either allergic to certain things on their skin or allergic to scents or whatever, so it's kind of hard getting through all of the skincare. But I do love eye masks and I love using them, so I will definitely be using these. And vitamin C is a really great skincare ingredient. I'll definitely be putting this into the rotation. That was my BoxyCharm for June 2020. If you don't subscribe to BoxyCharm, you fill out questionnaires and stuff, and like each month they have a whole bunch of products, and they, you know, choose 5 that would be good for you. So that's how BoxyCharm works. And I will put the link down to them in the box below. And I'll also link all the other products if you want to go take a look at those as well. I'm gonna put one of these on. This truly feels like slapping a slug on your face. Oh, get back there, my buddy. So that was it. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this BoxyCharm unboxing. This is my first video unboxing that I've done. So let me know in the comments if there's anything that I missed that you would like to see. I will also do the normal blog post that I do for these, and I'll let you guys know what I thought of the eye mask. Thanks. Have a great day.